Hey there! If you're looking to kickstart your 2025 with amazing deals, you've come to the right place. Post-Christmas sales are the perfect opportunity to snag some incredible bargains and get a head start on your New Year's resolutions. I'm about to share the top 5 post-Christmas deals you absolutely can't miss. These deals are not just about saving money, but also about enhancing your lifestyle and making your daily routines more enjoyable. These deals will keep you cozy, organized, and ready for the new year. Whether you're looking to upgrade your home, streamline your daily tasks, or simply treat yourself, there's something here for everyone. Let's dive in. First up, we have the Cozy Comfort Heated Blanket. This luxurious extra-large blanket is perfect for those chilly winter nights. It's designed to provide maximum warmth and comfort, making it an essential addition to your home. Imagine curling up on your couch with a good book or your favorite TV show and feeling warm all over. The heated blanket is not just about warmth. It's about creating a cozy, inviting atmosphere in your home. It's on sale now, so grab it while you can. Next, let's talk about organization. The Smart Storage Solution Set is a game changer. This set is designed to help you declutter and organize your space efficiently. It includes stackable bins, drawer organizers, and even a shoe rack. These items are perfect for maximizing your storage space and keeping everything in its place. Say goodbye to clutter and hello to a tidy, stress-free home. With everything neatly organized, you'll find it much easier to maintain a clean and orderly environment. Everything has its place, and you'll love how easy it is to find what you need. Now, who doesn't love a good gadget? The third deal is the all-in-one wireless charger station. This innovative device is a must-have for anyone with multiple gadgets. This handy device can charge your phone, smartwatch, and earbuds all at once. It's designed to be efficient and convenient, eliminating the need for multiple chargers. No more tangled cords or searching for multiple outlets. The wireless charger station simplifies your life by keeping all your devices powered up and ready to go. It's sleek, compact, and perfect for your nightstand or desk. Our fourth must-have deal is the Ultimate Kitchen Essentials Bundle. This set includes high-quality knives, non-stick pans, and versatile kitchen gadgets. It's designed to make your cooking experience more enjoyable and efficient. Whether you're a seasoned chef or just starting out, this bundle has everything you need to whip up delicious meals with ease. And the best part? It's all at a fraction of the regular price. Last but certainly not least, we have the SelfCare Spa Kit. Treat yourself to some much-needed relaxation with this all-in-one spa kit. It's designed to help you unwind and rejuvenate after the holiday hustle and bustle. It includes scented candles, bath bombs, and a luxurious robe. These items are perfect for creating a spa-like experience in the comfort of your own home. Pamper yourself after the holiday hustle and bustle. You deserve it. So there you have it. The top 5 post-Christmas deals that will keep you cozy, organized, and ready for 2025. Don't wait too long. These deals won't last forever. Head over to bargainsmartdirect.com and start shopping now. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome deals and smart shopping tips. Happy shopping, and see you next time.